Hey everyone, it's Becca. I hope everyone's doing okay. I hope everyone's healthy and trying to stay away from large crowds. I haven't posted a video in a very long time. This past summer, I was working at a long-term care facility when I ended up contracting COVID, and then my daughter got it, and it took us a good long month to get over. And then I'm just finishing up my third semester of my RN program. I'm doing a LPN to RN bridge program. So that was pretty intense. So that was taking up a lot of my time. But now I get a little Christmas break before I do my last semester. So I wanted to just touch in and ask you guys how you're doing. Please leave me comments. And let's do some projects over the next couple weeks. Some of these you can use in your presents. You can gift wrap them and use them as little gifts for Christmas for your family. But I'm excited. I'm excited to make a couple videos. So let's get started. So what I wanted to make today was these bows. My daughter, she's been all about Jojo Siwa lately, and she's been loving the bows. And I noticed when I was shopping for them, they can be a little pricey, so I thought I'd try and make a couple. And when I went to Hobby Lobby to pick up the ribbon, I found this. It was perfect. And so these are usually free. When you go around Hobby Lobby and they have the little patterns and everything, these are free to take. So this one had the boutique bows, and it showed you how to make them. And I thought that was so cool. So just in case if you want that, you can go and find it at Hobby Lobby. And for the ribbons I chose, they have to be really bright and colorful. So I picked this cute unicorn one and the glitter rainbow one. And this is what the bows look like, and they came out adorable. So I made her 2 of them so far, and they were really easy to make. And I think that was really a cute idea to just make your bows. And if you want to, you can use them as stocking stuffers for little girls and just put them in there. So I'm going to show you how I made one of these. And all I did was follow the instructions that were in that little pamphlet. So we're going to get our ribbon. And I cut about 2 feet, maybe a little over 2 feet. So it's like 24 inches, so it's like a little bit over. So we're gonna cut about that much. And to be honest, when I used this glitter ribbon, it was a little bit harder to manipulate just because it is so stiff than the unicorn ribbon. But yeah, use whatever ribbon you would like. And you don't have to do it the way I do it. You know, of course, you find a way that is best or easiest for you. So, and then I got the ribbon after I cut about 2 feet of it, and I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to press on this seam here, and that way I can be sure that that's the middle point. Okay, see, so now I can see where my middle is, and I'm going to use my little hot glue gun to help us out here. It's just a low temperature glue gun. So I'm going to put just a little dab of glue right there. And then you fold it over to make a loop. And let me see. Let's do it like this, where it's kind of flush up against the other side. Okay. And then I'm going to do another little dab of glue. You don't need a lot. It's just to stabilize it. You could even just sew it, you know, if you want to, or pin it. But I just use this. It was easier for me. And then you're going to make a figure 8 with the other side. And you're going to come around and meet about right there. So that way you have a figure 8 with your ribbons. Okay? Just like that. And then what we want to do is we want to join these 2 in the middle. So what I did, I just got a little bit more glue and I made a little line just right across the middle. And then I pin one down, like that. Be careful not to burn yourself. And then I get the other side. I bring that down as well. I can overlap them just a little bit. It's just enough just to hold it together. That way you can get your string and tie it. But it's just enough to hold it together. And then in the instructions in the pamphlet, it said you can use a wire. But I decided just to use some embroidery thread. So I'm going to cut just a small piece of it off, like that. And then we're going to tie it around our ribbon. So go through the center. And then we're going to get ready to tie it. When you're going to get ready to tie your knot, go ahead and wrap it around a couple of times. That way it doesn't start to unravel as you're trying to tighten it. So you wrapped it around the center. Wrap it around the center like that, and then you start to pull to tighten it. I kind of hold down my edges as I'm tightening it. Just like that, a little more. Okay. So see, if you wrap it like several times, it won't come undone when you kind of let go of it. And then I make a knot. I'll do another one and make a knot. Okay. See, and that's enough to stabilize it, like that. And then I go ahead and I cut off my little pieces right here. I cut off my little ends, just like that. Okay. And we're going to wrap it again so it'll be really secure. Now to wrap around the middle part, I cut a piece of the glitter ribbon off, and you want it to be about, I don't know, like 5 centimeters by 1 centimeter. You want it to be thin. So let's cut it about right there. I think that'll work. It's a little less than 1 centimeter. That'll work. And then see, you're going to wrap it around there. I think I might do the thicker one here. I like the way this one feels better. Okay, and so then what I did to wrap it around is you get your glue gun and you go ahead and put your glue down your piece of ribbon like that. Be careful not to burn yourself. Okay, and then we're going to wrap it around, and you just put it right in the center. And add some tension to it as you're wrapping it around. And then you just press and hold while the glue sets. Just like that. And you have an adorable bow that you made in just like a couple minutes. I kind of just worked the little ribbons to where you wanted, but isn't that cute? And so then what you can do is you can add a ponytail to this if you want to be able to just tie it onto a ponytail. You can add some extra smaller ribbons so you can tie it onto their hair, or yeah, go to Hobby Lobby and purchase the little clasp clips to go with it. But what I did to make it easier to put in my daughter's hair is I just used a bobby pin, and it came out really easy, and I can stick it in her hair and take it out very easily. So then I just added some glue on the back side, and I got my bobby pin, and I just laid it down, and you let it set. And I thought these were so cute to make. At the stores they were running about like $9 a bow, but with some ribbon and a hot glue gun you can make your own. You can make a lot of them. I think I'm actually going to put them in, I have a niece as well, so I think I'm going to put it in her gift for Christmas, and then I added a little bit of glue on top just to really secure it like that. And again, you can do this however you want. You can sew it on, tie it on. You can use extra ribbons or just a ponytail to tie it in their hair. And you just wait for the glue to set. And you have an adorable little bow. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments how you like it, and I'll be posting another video shortly. It's great to be posting videos again. Thank you. Bye.